You choose a sample, but it turns out the mix hasn't been panned very well, and you'd like it sorted out because just manual panning doesn't seem to do the job. On the other hand, you connect the device to one input only, and that's exactly what you're getting. Sound playing on one channel only. Those are different scenarios, but both involve mono and stereo. I'm about to show you two little tips solving those two issues. Welcome to Creative Therapy. I got a sample right here. It's got great groove, which result you can check in this video. But it comes with a problem. The source mix is very badly panned and plays louder on one channel and quieter on the other. I reminded myself of good old days of using MPC 500, which of course had its limitations, mainly the memory. To be as productive as you can on that machine, you would turn all your stereo samples into mono. And that's exactly the road I wanted to take to solve my problem. There's an option on the newer MPCs to perform the conversion from stereo into a mono signal. After loading up your sample, go to Sample Edit, press Trim tab on the screen. While holding the Shift button, press Process. Now turn the big wheel all the way to the right until you get to stereo to mono. Now you have few options. If you have something on your left channel, it'll turn into a mono. If you have something on the right channel, we'll do the same. And some just means if it's a stereo file, it'll just combine both channels together to create a mono, as far as my experience goes anyway. Do your conversion from stereo to mono before chopping up or creating a program. If you chop up your sample first, option to convert it from stereo to mono is grayed out and you can't choose it from the menu. You can get that option back on your source file simply by going to the browser and loading up the sample again. Now on to the next issue, but this time we're going to work with the input signal. So a turntable is connected to one input on MPC One. When I play it back, it only plays on one channel. A very quick solution is changing the input from 1,2 to input 1. And now you have, like in my case, mono signal playing in the stereo field. Let me know if you found this video useful in the comment section below and smash that like button. If you're interested to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel with the notification bell turned on. For now, keep occupied.